Kajinyatai lor ki sport infrastructure jong Jylla. Minister in charge buon ba ujubab ya kajing kli ki MLA ba unsa pek ba unsa buddin ya kajing ong jong ki. MLA ka Nongpoh Meral Bon ula Byniaw ya kajing Jingmynthie ka Sorkar bahwa ada ai ka proposal la slemba banyo ya kamadan artificial turf bat kiwe ki Madan Ialehkai na ka BYNTA ki samla ka thanyari Bhoi utei minister in charge ba shakliar ula ong bakadon ka scheme balamang daga khel India man shnai ki Madan na ka BYNTA ka Nongpoh.
I'm very much concerned about Bhoi district. We don't have artificial turf field in Bhoi. We don't have a standard stadium in Bhoi. We don't have even a synthetic track for athletics also. Proposal has been sent in the past, so I would like to know from the Honorable Minister in charge of sports or the Honorable Chief Minister whether the long-awaited proposal for the standard stadium with artificial turf for the field in Chinchona in Pahamsi in Nongpoh, whether it is under active consideration or not within the state-sponsored scheme or any central sponsored scheme.
So, the proposal that was sent for the Chinchona, for the athletic track at Nongpoh, Chinchona, Bhoi district, sir, the proposal has been sent and it's yet to be sanctioned, sir. It has been sent.
May I know, sir, from state scheme or any central sponsored scheme?
So it's under Khelo India scheme, sir.
And I would like to request the Honorable Minister and Honorable Chief Minister also. Nongpoh being a district headquarter of Bhoi district, please consider it at the earliest so that it will be benefit for the student, for the people of not only Nongpoh, for Bhoi district as a whole. So I would urge and request that it will be on a priority basis. This is my sincere request.
Point noted, sir.